Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga for diaphragm. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall. Open your leg about the hip distance. Inhale, right arm up. Make sure to try to expand the space between rib cage. And exhale, bring your elbow down to your body. Inhale, up. Exhale down. Tuck your elbows in, close your body. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. All the way, bring your arm down. Now other side. Inhale. Left arm up. And try to keep the space. Open up rib cage. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Try to feel the movement in diaphragm as inhale. Bring your diaphragm down. And exhale, diaphragm up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale all the way down. Okay, now let's take lunge. Back knee, toes down. And make sure to keep hip square. And then inhale. And shoulder blades together as if you're pinching a pencil between. Open up your chest. Lifting up sternum. Widen collarbone. And stay there. Let's take 5 deep breaths. Try to feel the movement of the diaphragm. As inhale, expand the diaphragm. And exhale, diaphragm lifting up. Breathing in through the nose, out through the nose. Cultivate Ujjayi Pranayama. Now bring both legs down. Now let's switch. Other leg up. Keep your hips square. And inhale, arms up. And exhale, squeeze shoulder blades together as if you're pinching a pencil between. And lifting up sternum. Open up rib cage. And breathe. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Continue breathing. And exhale. And bring arms down. Now let's take tabletop pose on your floor. Palm heel underneath your shoulders. Knees underneath your hips. And open your leg about your hip distance. And inhale, drop your belly. Relax your rib cage. Relax your diaphragm. And exhale, navel to the spine. And imagine lifting up your rib cage and concave your belly as much as you can. And inhale, drop your belly, relax, loosen up your rib cage, loosen up your diaphragm. And exhale, squeeze navel to the spine. Inhale. And exhale. Try to feel the big range of motion of your diaphragm. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Try to create the space between rib cage. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more inhale.
And exhale.
And now back to neutral. Now let's take Adha Padmanasana, half lotus pose. And from here, place both hands where diaphragm is around here, both palms together. And let's work on the breathing. Okay, so as inhale, imagine dropping your diaphragm down. And exhale, imagine squeezing the air out there for diaphragm, lifting up. Inhale, expand your chest. And exhale, navel to the spine, concave your belly, lifting up your diaphragm. Inhale, press diaphragm down. And exhale, lifting up. Inhale, expand your chest, create space between rib cage. And exhale. Inhale. Expand, expand, get a lot of air and exhale, squeeze air out. Create the maximum capacity of air. Breathing in and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. And bring your hands down. Now let's lay down on your back. Open your knee about the hip distance. Be comfortable. And then now I want you to grab the edge of mat, either here or there, and hold. And open your chest. Elbow dropping down. Widen your collarbone. And here, so try to move, expand, create range of motion in your diaphragm. So as you inhale, make sure to drop, expand your belly, press diaphragm down. As you exhale, navel to the spine, create hollow on your belly button pushing down. And then lifting up your rib cage and lifting up diaphragm. Inhale, drop diaphragm down, pressing down to the tailbone. And then exhale, concave your belly, expand the rib cage, lifting up diaphragm. So we're gonna continue this movement. Inhale, press diaphragm down. Exhale, concave your belly, lifting up diaphragm. Expand rib cage. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Press diaphragm down, 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 down. Exhale. Lift them diaphragm up, up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. And back to neutral. Now, sole of your feet together. Drop your knees to the side. And hands on your belly. This sequence is designed to cultivate an open breath. You can do it as often as you want. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!